This is the third video in the beginning programming series, and in this video we're going to be looking at the PROG page, which is where you will write your programs. For more information, visit jb.works and type in the TMT code shown at the bottom of the screen. The program page is where you edit your programs, where you run your programs, and also where you'll debug them. To get to the program page, first of all, you need to adopt your JackBord, and once you've done that, click on the play button on the right hand side, and this takes you to the dashboard. And once there, click on the PROG tab, and this will take you to the program page. So now we'll look at the different parts of the program page, and the first is the main editor section, which is on the left hand half, and this is where you'll write your code. Then next, on the right hand side, there are 4 tabs, and these tabs are designed to help you as you program. So the first tab is the guide tab, and this is for people who are just getting started out in programming and in Octagon, and has lots of helpful information. And you can also use the search prompt at the top to search for stuff. Then next we have the program reference tab, and this tab is specifically designed to help you get easy reference information for things in Octagon and how to do different things. And then after that we have the print tab, and what the print tab does is it shows you the output of your program. So for example, on the left hand side we've got a simple hello world program, and if we run it, the output appears in the print tab. And then finally we have the Show tab, and this is one where you can display graphics, buttons, you can build up a graphical user interface, plot graphs, do all sorts of things. On the program page, if you look at the top left hand side along the top, you can see a number of buttons. So here we have the program page, and the first thing to look at is the program number selector. And that lets us choose the program between 1 and 10 that we're going to edit. So we'll choose number 6. And then next we need to load it into the editor. So to do this, we click on the Open Local button. And it's basically like a folder. And that will load the code into the editor. And then once you've edited it and made some changes, you need to click onto the Save button. And it looks like an old floppy disk. And that will save the code so that when you run it, by clicking on the rocket icon, it will do its thing. So in this case, we're going to run it, and it will show us a list of numbers from 1 to 10 in the right hand window, or 1 to 9. So next, the stop button lets you stop a program that's running. So let's remove the line here that would stop it from running at 10, and we run it again, and it will just run forever. So to stop the program, you click on the stop button, and that stops it. Then after that, we have the Open from Cloud button, and what that does is it lets you load a program even if your JackBord is not connected. And then finally, we have the Light Dark Mode button, and that does exactly what it says. It switches between light mode and dark mode in the editor window. Now on the upper right hand side, you'll see these buttons, and they're basically debug buttons. So I'm not going to go into a lot of detail now, but basically this button will pause a running program. This button next to it will resume it after you've paused it. And the feet let you single step through a program. And finally, the bug on the end lets you toggle debug mode. But for now, we won't worry about these. So now that we know a little more about the program page and how it works, the next thing we're going to do is write our first program. So that'll be the next video. For more information, visit jb.works.